Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Tuesday, the 21st of March. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. No doubt, many of you have already looked at reports on the events surrounding the Swiss financial institutions, including our very own Market Watch published yesterday. But in this podcast, we would like to look at opportunities in the US financial sector, where the situation remains fluid. The focus is increasingly shifting to the exposure to commercial real estate, especially the office sector. Commercial real estate prices fell in the fourth quarter last year as funding costs rose sharply. Any possible contagion in regional banks means potentially fewer lenders in the markets, reduction in transaction activities, potential halting in sales, and delay in refinancing activities. Currently, the Fed data shows 1.2% delinquency rate on loans secured by real estate, versus 10% just after the GFC. But over the past few weeks, there has been default on loans made by few large asset managers, especially on office-related loans. However, we do believe that there are opportunities in the US mega large cap financials. Now, they've been sold off in sympathy with the regional banks since the start of February. But large banks are under additional scrutiny. For example, the maintenance of liquidity coverage ratios, and thus they're more solid compared to regional banks. Most of the large banks have much less exposure to unrealized losses on assets held to maturity. And many of them, indeed, have much more retail deposit in their books, which tends to be sticky. Moreover, a number of the mega large cap financials have exposure to businesses such as investment banking, which may benefit from rebound in M&A, ECM, and DCM activities, and also asset and wealth management, which gives diversified revenue base. Due to issues that weaker financial institutions are suffering from, the mega large cap financials may be able to grab more market shares and improve their longer term revenue growth. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoyed this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.